Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the fingerprint animation in this device. So in this device I already set the fingerprint lock. Now you can see this is the animation I set in this device. You can see. So let me show you how to change this one. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock, then tap on fingerprint. Then here we need to enter our current screen password. So here you can see finger 1 is added, and here you can see the option animation style. Tap on this one. You can see 3 animation styles you can see here, and you can select any one from here. You can see. These are the animations is now available in this device. So here I select this one. Now let me show you how it changed. You can see it, right? So simply in this way you can change the fingerprint animation in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.